It is such a great day today, surprisingly. I never knew that I'm going to know some other things about the computer and how it works, how to fix and clean, you blow and you do some other things. And I also learned some things about the CPU, the hard disk, and how to fix the RAM, and you remove it, you fix it back, and some other things in it.
Okay, my name is Susan Jackson Benjamin Nicholas. I'm from St. Daniel Comboni, Senior 2B, and I've really learned a lot from this because I made new friends. I learned a lot about computers, something I've never known before. I learned how to fix and take back the CPU, motherboard, even restarting the computers, like viruses on the computer, typing, the things that I never used to know before.
My name is Noella Wosuk. I'm a student from St. Daniel Comboni. I'm in Senior 2. Today I learned a lot from this. First of all, I learned about a computer and how to use the Microsoft Word. I learned how to connect the computer using a CPU.
I am by the name Lucia Joseph Arcangelo, and I'm from St. Daniel Comboni, and I'm in S2A. So what I've learned from today is that how to operate the computer, and I've made new friends, and I've known how to know the problems in the computer and how to fix it also.
Well, today I learned a lot. First thing is the staff is so social, and I was able to ask questions like what's the use of a modem, and I'm also interested in things to do with computer and look forward to working with cybersecurity to reduce the rates of crimes like hacking and invasion of privacy. Thank you.
So I learned here how to activate Windows and how to connect computer with CPU, which is Central Processing Unit, which first of all we have to clean it. After cleaning it, we have to see whether the RAM or the RAM is working. The RAM is meant for random access memory, which is important for keeping our data. And I learned also about how to install also some apps in computer. And thank you.
Firstly, I want to thank Google for this opportunity, and I love the program. I learned a lot. First, I learned the rules of repair session. You document, you label, then you start opening the machine and clean it. And I learned some physical parts that I have never known before. And I also learned how to activate Windows using the software.
What I found in this place, like people are not maintaining their computers. Most of the computers are dirty. So what I can advise, if they can do regular maintenance, cleaning, and then checking the computers, because most of their computers, they are old. They're using old version of the software. I'm also glad to work with young people, young students, to give my experience, which I'm getting from work, to help them in future. If they're having interest to join ICT, they can learn it from now. Thank you.